What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Smooth Love Portion SLP, which has been fluctuating over the last 24 hours. Like, as you can see, just about 1%, not even 1% down, making it 0.01699. So what is SLP's next target? As you can clearly see, it's been very volatile guys. It's peaked all the way up to about 0.01757 and right now has gone through a major drop in value. So what is next? Is there a good investment? Is there a good time to buy right now? Should you wait for it to dip further? And others are asking me, is there a good time to sell it, or should I wait for it to go back up in value? And is there a good investment overall for 2022? That's what we're going to be looking at, covering both short-term traders and long-term investors like myself, and as usual giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And as soon as I hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again guys, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So over the last hour, 1% down. Over the last day, just about 1% down again. Over the week, 7%, and over the month is basically been fluctuating 4% up. And I did a video on it a couple of weeks ago where I did tell you guys, do expect the crypto to fluctuate over the coming weeks. Obviously we are going to see peaks and dips in between, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral, and that is exactly what's taking place right now. It hasn't moved that much in percentage wise over the last 4 weeks, and again it is just about 4% up. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see here the trading volume has gone up by 3% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $133 million. So that is how much money has been traded on this crypto over the last 24 hours, which is again a huge amount. So let's get straight into it. Obviously we do have the candlestick pattern chart on the screen right now, and we also got the Fibonacci scale, which is what I'm going to be using to do the technical analysis. But as usual, that's not what we're going to start off with. We are going to start off with the price prediction, so I'm going to hide this and bring this back later on in the video. Let's get the MACD indicator to do some price predictions. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart at the moment, and zooming in here, we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing SLP at 0.01982. However, it's trading at a much lower value at 0.01701, meaning it is not performing too well, and it is underperforming compared to how it's meant to perform. So what I'm going to do now is zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But just a little disclaimer before I get into that guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative, meaning further drops in value are expected on SLP over the coming hours. So in this case, I'm talking about towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. Do expect minimal drops in value on SLP. Again, it's not going to be a major drop or a huge price decrease or anything like that, but minimal decreases are expected over the coming hours on SLP. Of course, we are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to just about be more on the positive side, on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? Again, we kind of have a mixed signal here guys. We obviously got the blue line looking bearish, going towards a negative direction. However, the orange line is just about going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish, as you can clearly see, is going in a straight line, literally flat out. So over the coming days, so in this case I'm talking about towards the end of next week, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range, but with very minimal dips in between. Again, that does not mean that it's going to be hitting red candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome just about seems to be more on the negative side. But again, it's nothing major at this point. Moving on to the daily chart, now we've got both the lines once again going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative. So over the long run, over the next couple of weeks, so in this case late May, early June, do expect minimal decreases in value on this crypto. However, you have to bear in mind that these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a major impact on the value of SLP, and anything like that, I will keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, because there will be some very important news coming out, not just on SLP but whatever crypto I cover on this channel. So now let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I get into that, guys, I have created a Telegram group chat which you guys can join for $14.99 only. Again, in this group chat I'm going to be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. So if you guys join this, there'll be two group chats. One where obviously I'm saying what I'm buying and selling. Another one is a general group chat where you can ask questions and just speak to each other and communicate with each other and so on and so on. However, this offer is limited to the first 100 members that join. Make sure to use the code DEC10 for 50% off. After that, it's going to go up to $29.99 and it will never come back to $14.99 a month. However, if you join now, it will stay at $14.99 for as long as you stay a member, and it will never go up to $29.99. But again, if you guys have any questions, any queries regarding this, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So looking at the Fibonacci scale, we are still trading in the red zone. We have been trading in the red zone since about very early December last year. So early December 2021 is when we first got into the red zone, and it's been getting worse and worse. Obviously had a little peak here in February about 2 months ago and then dropped back down again. So obviously for us to head back into the green zone or get rid of the red zone, we're going to have to hit the 5 cents target, which we are not close to at the moment. And for it to hit the 5 cents target at the moment, it's going to have to go for a major price increase, which I'm not expecting from SLP anytime soon. As you guys have seen, my predictions is only about to get worse as of now, my predictions. So obviously hitting the 5 cents mark will have to get delayed, probably very late this year or early next year as well. But again, you guys have requested for me to do regular SLP videos, and if that's still the case, let me know how often you guys want SLP updates. Is it once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, or whatever it is? Let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try and upload as much as I can. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on SLP. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, I just want to say a huge thank you and a huge shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. And yeah, before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. And I'll end the video here. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next cryptocurrency update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.